India's quasi-sovereign fund plans to seek about 4 billion in funding. This will be the largest ever fund raised by India's quasi-sovereign fund. The government is driving a push to upgrade infrastructure across India. The National Investment and Infrastructure Fund (NIIF) will raise funds. NIIF is backed by the Indian government and several global investors. The fundraise is expected to start early next year, say anonymous sources. The new fund will be larger than the previous master fund from 2020. The master fund closed in December 2020 with 2.34 billion in capital. The new fund will mark a restart under a new chief executive officer. NIIF is also raising capital for its private markets fund, sources say. NIIF might consider a new private equity fund after the infrastructure raise. The firm had issues with the government over resource allocation. Bloomberg reported NIIF had a rough patch with its biggest shareholder. NIIF searched for a new leader after the previous chief stepped down. Sanjeev Agarwal, an infrastructure veteran, now leads NIIF. NIIF manages more than 4.9 billion in assets under its portfolio. The Finance Ministry and NIIF spokespeople did not comment on the matter. Major backers include Abu Dhabi Investment Authority and Australian Super. Singapore's Temasek Holdings Pte is also an investor in NIIF. Indian banks like HDFC, ICICI, and Axis are investors in NIIF. NIIF expects co-investment commitments from its backers in this round. NIIF manages 4 funds across different asset classes, including infrastructure. The master fund recently invested in IBUS Network and Infrastructure. Other investments include Ayana Renewable Power and IntelliSmart.